This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch tutorial. First, clearly define your tutorial's learning objective. Consider your audience's skill level to tailor your content effectively. Outline the key steps and techniques you'll demonstrate, ensuring a logical flow. Gather all necessary materials, like pencils, paper, and reference images, before you begin recording. This preparation ensures a smooth and professional presentation. When recording, set up your camera for a stable, clear overhead shot of your workspace. Good lighting is crucial. Aim for even illumination to avoid distracting shadows. Speak clearly and calmly, explaining each step as you draw. Demonstrate techniques slowly and deliberately, giving your viewers ample time to understand and follow along. Remember, clarity is key for effective learning. After recording, it's time to edit. Trim out any long pauses, mistakes, or unnecessary footage to keep the tutorial concise. Add on-screen text or annotations to highlight important tips or specific tools. If you use background music, ensure it's at a low, non-distracting volume. Most importantly, check that your audio quality is high and consistent, making your instructions easy to hear. Once your tutorial is polished, choose a suitable platform for sharing, such as YouTube or Vimeo. Craft a descriptive title and a detailed video description that includes a list of materials. Use relevant keywords and tags to help viewers find your content easily. Finally, encourage comments and questions to foster engagement and build a community around your sketching expertise. Happy teaching!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.